Hello there ladies, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be sharing some juicy goodies that have been sent my way for me to review or just to share with you. So some of these items I have not even unpackaged yet. So this is really exciting for me as well. I will have everything that I talk about linked below. If I have tried it, I will let you know what I think. If I have not, well, we're just going by chance. You'll also want to stay tuned until the end because I have a fantastic giveaway that I know I'm going to enjoy because one was sent for me as well as one was sent for you. So I am going to enjoy it. I am going to do a review on it. But anyway, stay tuned till the end because you're going to want to know what the giveaway is and you are going to want to get entered, and everything will be below. Anything I'm wearing, anything I talk about, it'll be linked below. It'll be linked in the blog post. The entry for the giveaway, it'll all be there. The first thing that I want to talk about is this LED foldable lighted makeup mirror. This was sent to me for review and I have been using it. Now, let me just say that the mirror that I have used for many years is just a round mirror. You can flip one side and look a little closer. One side is a little further away. It's done the job. It matches the hardware in my bathroom, so I don't want to get rid of it. I have thought about making a big purchase and getting the simple human mirror, and I will have that linked below. I've talked about that before, but I just continue to talk myself out of it. So needless to say, this particular mirror was sent to me. It is an LED lighted makeup mirror. It does have the 2x focus, the 3x focus as far as if you want to get closer up to do your brows or do any tweezing or anything like that. It is just one touch, like you can see. There's also a little switch on the back. It's foldable. I like it. I just don't know if I love it. It's a great price. It's only $25.99. I think it will be great for travel. It's very adjustable, not too much weight, perfect size for something like that to put into your suitcase. So I think that is where I am going to enjoy it the most because I don't travel with my other makeup mirror. I went on a makeup assignment a couple weeks ago, and believe it or not, this was the makeup mirror that the girl that I did her makeup uses. And she said that she had asked for Christmas because she had heard a lot of great things about it. So if you want to know more about it, check the link and see if it would be something that would interest you. The next little goodie that I want to talk about is by Color Science. I was just sent this little box here. Inside we have a little note. It says, "Hi Tracy, can't wait to hear your thoughts on our new eye product. Let me know if you have any questions." Inside the box, it says, "Look like you got 8 hours of sleep." I don't know about you ladies, but yeah, I would like to look like I got 6 hours of sleep, as a matter of fact. Inside we have this little pouch, and it looks like the little sleep pad. Super fun. Love that. We also have a Color Science mascara, so I will definitely keep you posted on my thoughts on that. And we have the Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy, corrects dark circles, brightens and depuffs, smooths fine lines and wrinkles. So I will have the information down below. Take a look at this. Maybe it's something that would interest you. You know I'm a product junkie, so I will enjoy to test this out, and I will definitely keep you posted. Make sure you're watching on Snap. A lot of times that is where I keep you guys updated on what I like and what I don't like. The next little goodie that I want to talk about is this box here. This is a luxury Canadian subscription line where they have luxury and premium cosmetics. It is called Maple Bloom. You will want to read the history behind how this company started. It is very interesting. I'll have their website. I will also have a link to the box. This is the February box. This is a subscription that comes out every 2 months. I have not opened this box yet, but I definitely love the quality of the box and the packaging. It says, "Thank you for working with us, Tracy. We hope you enjoy the contents of this Maple Bloom box." Let's take a little peek and see what's inside. We have a card that may have the write-up of what is in here. Look at all the little goodies. Life is dirty, your makeup doesn't have to be. I love that. This one here is a little medium pink lipstick with warm undertones. Very pretty, looks kind of like a matte. It says no chemicals, very pretty everyday mid-tone pink. We also have a chamomile and rosehip calming day cream from Pie. We also have a pomegranate seed St. John's wort and bergamot age away night cream. We have a blush brush here, which I'm a blush lover, so I will be happy about that. We also have a baked blush in the color Rose. This one here came a little bit cracked, but it sure is a beautiful color. I'm sure it's something that I would really enjoy. I also love the wood packaging, so very nicely packaged, good quality box. Again, check out their website. This was the February box. You'd have a couple months to get on board if you wanted to probably purchase the next box that's coming out. Last but not least, I want to talk about the planner, which is the giveaway. So a company reached out to me called My Infinite Agenda. I have a black one here. I have a blush colored one here. They had sent this to me to review after watching some of my organizing and planning videos, and you know that I love the planner that I use, but I was tickled when My Infinite Planner sent not just one for me, but one for you as well. So I have not even opened mine. I have been so antsy to do so and so antsy to share it with you. And I also am really anxious to test it out. So I am going to open one of these. Decisions, because I love them both. I feel like because I think I'm going to open the black one and I am going to give away the blush colored one. Let me just say this planner is $58, so definitely up there, but that's not too far off of what I spent on the planner that I have. I feel like when you are using something on the daily like I do with my current planner that I use, I have no problem spending that kind of money on a planner. That does not bother me one bit. So I love how this came really nicely boxed and packaged. Definitely a nice box. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. A little bit bigger size than the Inkwell Press Planner. This is what it looks like. If you have the Inkwell Press Planner, you can see here the size difference between the two. They are both going to be the hardbound on the outside. This also has your little band right here, just like my Inkwell Press one does. I'm so excited. This is just gorgeous. This is just stunning. Yes, stunning, stunning. I have been so anxious to open it up. It's got all of your tabs. That is an important feature to me. One of the things that I do pay attention to with planners that is very important to me, and don't forget it is on my goals or my bucket list, long-term goal, to design and market my own planner. So definitely stay tuned for that. But one of the things I am the most fussiest about with planners is the quality of the paper. It has to be a thicker paper, and I will, if I am looking at a planner, I will immediately feel what the paper is like and I won't even look at the planner because I don't want to like something as far as contents go, but not like the paper quality. It has to be good paper quality. That is what I love about the Inkwell Press Planner. You're going to pay more for the ones that have that hard cover, and you are going to pay for the ones that have better paper quality. This feels very nice. I would not say it's quite as thick as quality as the Inkwell Press, but I have felt much thinner. I would still be happy with this. I love here, they have start here and they have begin with gratitude. You know I am a big person that practices gratitude daily. It would take me some adjusting to just have a layout of the month at a glance like that, as I like it to take up the whole entire planner. It does have different things this month I am excited to accomplish. These are short-term goals. These are long-term goals. So I love anything that is goal-oriented. This is what your pages are going to look like. So this would be your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Again, that would be something I would have to get used to because I tend to like to see the whole week because I'm always writing ahead, especially with the business that I do and the coaching. So that would be something that would cause me some acclimating to. Friday, Saturday, Sunday are on a different page. I would definitely have to get used to that. Plus, Saturday and Sunday are a little bit smaller. I don't always know that I like when they do that because I work 7 days a week pretty much, not all day long, but I'm always doing something and I can pretty much fill up every single day. Today I am looking forward to today I am super grateful for, and it has that every single day. Plenty of places to take notes, which is very important for somebody like me, especially when I have a lot of components to my business. So yeah, check it out. You can always pull up the pictures when you click on the link to take a look at this planner, and you can see closer up what everything is going to look like. If you are in the market for a planner, I mean, these are beautiful. I believe they just come in the 2 colors, but you can find that out. Click on the link, $58, and this is going to be part of the giveaway. So the black one is going to be mine. The blush tone one is going to go to one of you. Again, like all of my giveaways, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Just support me. Just support me. I give a lot to you, and I love that you give back. Make sure you're following me on Snapchat as well. There will be a link to get entered down below. There's instructions there. If you find it confusing, don't overanalyze it. It's super easy, and you can also go to my website and you can get entered there. So thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good day.